In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Substack welcome page URL and welcome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so you can quickly pull up the special welcome page your readers see. First, make sure you're signed into your Substack account in a web browser. It's easiest to follow along on a desktop or laptop so you can clearly see the address bar at the top of the window. Your welcome page is tied to your publication's main URL, so you'll want to start from your own publication space rather than a settings screen or editor view. Begin by clicking on Profile. On Substack, your profile is usually accessible from the top right area of the screen, often represented by your avatar or initials. Clicking Profile takes you to the public-facing homepage of your publication. This is the place where readers land when they visit your Substack, and it's the correct starting point for finding the welcome page. With your publication's homepage open, move your cursor to the very top of your browser and look at the web address. You should see your publication's main URL. Don't delete or replace it. Simply go to the end of the existing address, type a /, then the word welcome, and press enter. In other words, you're appending welcome directly to your current publication URL. Be careful not to add any extra spaces or punctuation. The format is your publication URL, followed by a single slash, followed by the word welcome. When the page loads, you're viewing your Substack welcome page. This is a special reader-friendly page designed to greet new subscribers and orient them. Depending on how you've set things up, it may include a welcome message, an introduction to what you publish, and sometimes pointers to featured posts or what readers can expect next. Think of it as your handshake with new subscribers. Clear, warm, and helpful. If the page doesn't load as expected, double check that you started from your publication's public homepage, not an internal dashboard URL. Also, confirm the word welcome is spelled exactly right and that you've only added one slash at the end. Small typos in the address bar can lead to a missing page. That's all there is to it. Click Profile to land on your publication's homepage, add Parwa Welcome to the end of the URL, and press Enter. Now, you can quickly review what new readers see and make sure it reflects your voice and your goals. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.